Hey, I'd like to just introduce Princess. She's going to be learning about iPhone programming as well. And I previously showed you how to make just a very simple application. And we'll dive more into Objective-C in a minute, but I'd just like to show you a bit more about some of the templates that we can use to make more complex applications. So, for example, we'll go ahead and make a new project here. Uh, this this is where we can choose our project templates. So you can see within iOS application, we could say choose master detail. We could choose single view, page-based application, empty application, utility application, tab application. And we'll be seeing more of those in a minute, but let's just choose one for example, and you can see what I'm talking about. So this is using template applications. So we'll keep storyboard unchecked, use iPhone, use automatic reference counting for this template. And we'll just go ahead and create it right there. And now here, what are we given? We're given an application delegate file, its corresponding implementation file, a master view controller, detail view controller, and then these nib files. So these nib files are where our user interface elements are dragged onto. So in this case, we have master view controller and then the detail view controller. There you can see some text that will be displayed on this label. Let's run this and see what it's like. And the idea behind these templates are Xcode is providing you with a starting code that you can build on top of. So we want to be able to modify this. So okay, so we have here this master detail application, and you can see this plus button. So that gives us a new row each time we hit it. And then we can drill down on a particular row. And you see it's putting the timestamp there in the label text. And in fact, we can also edit, so say delete a row. Say done when we're finished with that. And then drill down and see those and then even add some more. So this is a starting point template, and then we can go ahead and modify how it's working by editing, for example, this implementation file. And we'll get into that type of modification later on in the course. But for now, just know that these templates can be a very useful starting point as you develop your app.